Welcome to the installation video for the CSOHSL Black Hamper Pullout from Sidelines by Rev-A-Shelf. Before we begin, you will need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a tape measure, bubble level, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a canvas bag, slides, a frame, hooks with clips, Euro screws, and wood screws. The CSOHSL Hamper Pullout is designed for 18, 24, and 30-inch full-access closet cabinets that are at least 14 inches deep. We will be installing the 24-inch model. Choose a height for the slides that ensures the canvas bag won't drag on the cabinet floor. Also, make sure the frame doesn't exceed the edge of the cabinet when fully pushed in. Extend the slide all the way out and mount to the cabinet wall. If using the pre-built cabinet system holes, secure using the Euro screws. Level the slide. If both front and back system holes do not align with the slide, or you are mounting to a flat surface, then mark and pre-drill the hole locations using your 3/32 inch bit. Do not drill all the way through the side of the cabinet. Now secure using the wood screws. Measure your slide location and repeat on the other side of the cabinet. Next, place the frame over the hooks on the slides and cycle the unit. Insert the wire hooks into the canvas bag and hook onto the brackets. Secure with the provided clips. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.